2023 to 2025. He also served as the Communication Director of the same division in 2017 to 2023. He earned his Doctor of Ministry from our school, Adventist International Institute of Advanced Studies, or familiar natin ng mabatian as IS. He is married to Ma'am Raisa Acera, now Dingging. Sad to say, hindi natin nakaupon si Ma'am because may ara siya ma-appointment mansubong. And i-bless sila sa isa lagi ka anak. Their only son, si John Denzel Martin. Atong speaker mga biyan sining aga is a husband, a father, and an ordained minister. Pag may aral lang siya gusto ipalapot sa akin, favorite Bible verse niya. Ang favorite Bible verse sa ating speaker is found in Matthew 19:26. With God, all things are possible. So atong speaker sa sining atong 111th year anniversary celebration, wala si Liwan, kundi si Pastor Mamerto Matildo Dingging II. But before natin ihatag ang ating